Stop scrolling for just a moment, because what you're about to see could completely change the way you think about starting a business. Imagine creating a beautiful handmade product from simple cotton rope, a product that can cost less than $100 to make, yet people are happily paying $600, $900, or even over $1,500 to own it. Sounds unbelievable? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why customers are paying these prices and how ordinary people are turning this simple craft into a profitable home business. Before we begin, let me make you one promise. If you watch this video until the very end, I'll show you everything you need to know. You'll learn how these luxury macrame swings are made, which materials you need, how much it really costs to get started, where to find customers, how much profit is possible, common beginner mistakes to avoid, and the best places to sell your finished products online. By the time this video ends, you'll have a complete roadmap to decide whether this business is right for you. So don't skip ahead, because every section builds on the last one, and the most valuable tips are waiting for you near the end. Now let me tell you a story. Meet Sarah, a young mother from Texas. A few years ago, she wasn't looking for $1 million business. She simply wanted a way to earn extra income without leaving her children at home. She searched through dozens of business ideas. Some required thousands of dollars. Others needed expensive machines or years of experience. Then one evening, while scrolling through home decor photos online, she noticed something that kept appearing over and over again. Beautiful handmade macrame swings. She became curious. Could people really make money selling something like this? She spent weeks learning basic knots, watching tutorials, practicing every evening after dinner, and making mistakes that almost made her quit. Her first swing wasn't perfect. Her second wasn't much better. But instead of giving up, she kept improving. A month later, she finished one she was finally proud of. She listed it online with clear photos and an honest description. Days passed with no sales. She almost deleted the listing. Then one morning, she woke up to her first order. That single notification changed everything. Today, Sarah has sold hundreds of handmade pieces to customers across the United States. Her business didn't grow overnight, but it grew because she stayed consistent. And that's the first lesson I want you to remember. Success rarely comes from one lucky moment. It comes from showing up every day, improving your skills, and refusing to quit when things don't go your way. Every expert started as a beginner. Every successful business started with someone who decided to take the first step even when they felt uncertain. Now, you might be wondering, why would anyone spend hundreds of dollars on a handmade swing? The answer is simple. People aren't buying rope. They aren't buying knots. They're buying a feeling. They're buying comfort, beauty, craftsmanship, and a product that transforms an ordinary space into something special. That's why handmade home decor has become one of the fastest growing categories in online marketplaces. People want products with personality, not mass-produced items that look exactly like everything else. Think about the homes you see on Pinterest, Instagram, Airbnb listings, or luxury interior design websites. You'll notice cozy reading corners, elegant patios, stylish nurseries, relaxing balconies, and beautiful boho-inspired rooms. Handmade macrame swings fit perfectly into that lifestyle. Customers aren't just purchasing furniture, they're investing in an experience they want to enjoy every day. That's exactly why skilled artisans can charge premium prices for high-quality handmade work. But here's the exciting part. This opportunity isn't limited to experienced craftsmen. Many successful sellers started with zero experience. They learned one knot at a time, practiced consistently, improved their designs, and slowly built a business that now supports their families. If they could learn, there's no reason you can't learn too. So in the next section, we're going to break down the actual business. We'll discuss the materials, startup costs, realistic profit margins, and the simple tools you'll need to begin. Some of the numbers may surprise you. Now let's answer the biggest question everyone asks. How much does it actually cost to start this business? The good news is that compared to many other businesses, this one is surprisingly affordable. You don't need a warehouse, a large workshop, or expensive industrial equipment. Many successful makers started in a small room, a garage, or even a corner of their living room. That's one of the biggest reasons this business has become so attractive to people looking for a low-cost opportunity with premium profit potential. The basic materials are simple but extremely important. You'll need high-quality cotton macrame rope, because the quality of your rope directly affects the strength and appearance of the final product. You'll also need a sturdy wooden or metal ring, strong hanging hardware, a comfortable seat or cushion depending on your design, measuring tape, sharp scissors, fabric glue or finishing tools, and attractive packaging materials for shipping. None of these items are difficult to find, and later in this video, I'll tell you exactly where many sellers buy them at competitive prices. Now let's talk about numbers, because numbers tell the real story. Depending on the size, style, and materials you choose, many handmade swings can be produced for somewhere between $60 and $150. Premium custom designs may cost a little more, especially if you use luxury rope or handcrafted wooden parts. However, professionally made swings are often sold for $400, $700, $1,000, or even more when they're customized for the customer. That's why experienced makers focus on quality instead of rushing to produce as many pieces as possible. One excellent product with 5-star reviews is often worth far more than several average products. But here's something that separates successful business owners from beginners. Never try to compete only on price. Competing on price usually leads to lower profits and lower quality. Instead, compete on craftsmanship, customer service, beautiful photography, fast communication, and attention to detail. Customers buying handmade luxury products are looking for quality, not the cheapest option available. If your work looks professional, many buyers are happy to pay premium prices. Now you may be wondering, who actually buys these beautiful swings? The answer is much bigger than most people imagine. Young couples decorating their first home, parents creating cozy nurseries for their children, interior designers searching for unique statement pieces, Airbnb hosts who want their rentals to stand out, boutique hotels creating luxury guest experiences, coffee shops looking for eye-catching seating, wedding planners designing unforgettable events, photography studios creating beautiful backgrounds, even gift buyers searching for something special that can't be found in ordinary furniture stores. In other words, you're not selling to one type of customer. You're selling to anyone who loves beautiful handmade home decor. That means your potential market is much larger than you might expect. Now let's talk about something even more important. Where do these customers actually find your products? Today's buyers spend hours every day searching online for inspiration. They discover products through Pinterest, Instagram, Etsy, Google searches, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook Marketplace, and many other platforms. A beautiful product combined with professional photos and short behind-the-scenes videos can attract thousands of potential buyers without spending a fortune on advertising. People love watching handmade products being created because it builds trust and shows the care behind every piece. Here's another important lesson. Your story matters just as much as your product. Customers don't only buy handmade items because they look beautiful. They buy because they feel connected to the person who created them. When you share your journey, your process, your attention to detail, and your passion for craftsmanship, your business becomes more than just another online store. It becomes a brand people remember. And don't worry if you're thinking, I've never done anything like this before. Every successful creator once asked that same question. Nobody starts as an expert. Skills are built one day at a time. The only people who never succeed are the ones who never begin. So don't go anywhere, because in the next part, I'll show you how to learn this skill faster, how to avoid the biggest beginner mistakes, how successful sellers get repeat customers, and how you can turn one handmade swing into a business that continues growing year after year. The next few minutes may be the most valuable part of this entire video. Now that you understand the business opportunity, let's talk about how these beautiful swings are actually made. Don't worry, I'm not going to overwhelm you with complicated technical details. The process is much easier than most people think, especially when you break it down into simple steps. Every professional craftsperson started by learning just a few basic knots, and with practice, those simple knots turned into stunning handmade designs. The first step is choosing the right design. Before you buy any materials, decide whether you're making a swing for children, adults, indoor spaces, or outdoor patios. Different customers have different needs, and offering a variety of styles can help you reach a larger market. Some people love modern minimalist designs, while others prefer classic boho patterns with long decorative fringes. The more styles you can offer, the more customers you'll attract. Next comes selecting high-quality materials. This is one area where you should never cut corners. Strong cotton rope, durable rings, and reliable hardware are essential not just for appearance, but for safety. A customer who feels confident in the quality of your product is much more likely to recommend your business to friends and family. Remember, trust is one of the most valuable assets any business can have. Once your materials are ready, the real craftsmanship begins. Measure every rope carefully, keep your knots even, and pay attention to every small detail. Handmade products stand out because they show care and precision. A clean finish, balanced design, and professional appearance can make the difference between an average product and a premium one. Customers notice these details, even if they don't realize it consciously. Before selling any swing, always inspect it carefully. Check every knot, every connection, and every piece of hardware. Test the strength according to the manufacturer's recommendations for the hardware you're using. Never advertise a weight capacity unless you've verified it. Safety should always come first because one satisfied customer can bring many new buyers, while one poor experience can damage your reputation. Now, let's talk about pricing. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is charging too little. They think lower prices will attract more customers. In reality, luxury buyers often associate higher prices with better quality. Instead of competing to be the cheapest, focus on creating the best value. Include professional packaging, clear instructions, excellent customer support, and beautiful presentation. These small touches make your product feel premium and justify a higher price. Another powerful strategy is offering customization. Many customers love choosing their own rope color, cushion fabric, size, or decorative style. Personalized products are difficult to compare with mass-produced items, which means customers are often willing to pay more for something made specifically for them. Custom orders also help your business stand out from competitors. Here's another tip that many successful business owners use. Document your journey. Record short videos while you're making each swing. Show the knots, the materials, the finishing process, and the final product. These behind-the-scenes clips perform extremely well on social media because people love watching skilled craftsmanship. Over time, these videos become free marketing that continues bringing new customers to your business. And remember this, every successful handmade business is built on consistency, not perfection. Your first product doesn't have to be perfect. Your goal is simply to become a little better with every swing you make. Small improvements every day eventually create extraordinary results. In the final part of this video, I'll show you where to sell your products, how to attract customers without spending a fortune on advertising, how to encourage repeat business, and the mindset that has helped countless entrepreneurs build successful handmade brands. Stay with me, the best advice is still ahead. Now comes the most important question. Where do you actually sell these handmade swings? The good news is that you don't need to open a physical store. Today's customers are shopping online every single day, and that's where your biggest opportunities are waiting. Platforms like Etsy have millions of buyers searching specifically for handmade products. Shopify allows you to build your own brand. Facebook Marketplace helps you connect with local customers, while Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts can introduce your work to thousands or even millions of potential buyers around the world. But here's the secret that many beginners don't know. Customers don't buy products because they simply exist. They buy products because they trust the person selling them. That's why your photos, videos, product descriptions, customer service, and communication matter just as much as the product itself. Use natural lighting, clean backgrounds, and show your swing from different angles. Better yet, show someone actually enjoying the swing. People don't just buy products, they buy the lifestyle those products represent. Another powerful strategy is to build a personal brand instead of just selling a product. Let people see your creative process. Show them the ropes before they become a beautiful swing. Show the careful knotting, the finishing touches, and the excitement of packing an order for a customer. These simple behind-the-scenes moments create trust, and trust creates sales. Now let's talk about something even more important than making money: building a business that lasts. Every successful entrepreneur faces challenges. There will be days when sales are slow. There will be customers who ask difficult questions. There will be mistakes. But those moments don't define your future. Your consistency does. The people who succeed are not always the most talented. They are the ones who keep learning, improving, and refusing to quit. Think about every successful brand you know today. None of them became successful overnight. They all started with one customer, one order, one product, and one dream. Your first swing may not be perfect. Your first month may not bring huge profits. But every satisfied customer brings you one step closer to building a business that can support your goals and your family. If there's one lesson I hope you remember from this video, it's this. Opportunities don't change lives, actions do. Thousands of people will watch videos like this and then do nothing. A small percentage will take notes, learn the skill, practice consistently, and build something meaningful. The difference isn't luck. The difference is action. Now imagine where you could be 1 year from today. Imagine looking back and realizing that the decision to learn one simple skill became the beginning of your own business. That's how every journey starts, with one small step taken today instead of waiting for the perfect tomorrow. If you found this video valuable, don't keep this opportunity to yourself. Share it with a friend or family member who dreams of starting a business. You never know whose life this idea might inspire. And if you want me to create more videos revealing profitable business ideas, complete startup guides, market research, earning potential, and practical step-by-step strategies, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, I'll bring you another business opportunity that could become your next source of income. Also, leave a comment below with the word swing. If enough people request it, I'll create another detailed video showing exactly where to buy the best materials, which tools I recommend, how to learn this craft step by step, and how to price your products for maximum profit. I'd love to know what you think about this business idea and whether you'd be willing to try it yourself. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Remember, your future isn't decided by where you are today. It's decided by what you choose to do after watching this video. Keep learning, keep building, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful business idea that could change your life.